Or to this computer. All right,
Okay.
welcome to the A/B testing. You will be testing my visualization. It's change in ocean temperatures due to climate change. So my first task for you on this is first click and choose an ocean and choose a variable to see the new chart pop up.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
scroll down. Yep. Do you see any period over time with noticeable trends?
Um, it seems to change with each election. That's something I notice.
Yep.
I
Yep.
mean, every
Okay.
4 years, it's like slower, then it
Is
goes
it?
really fast, then it goes slower, changes, and it goes really fast. So that's funny.
Yeah. Yeah. See, notice some changes over time. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. All right. Do you have, is it pretty intuitive to click and choose which ocean? Does that make sense?
What does pre-intuitive mean?
Just like, did you have any troubles or did you
Oh,
not know what it
no.
means?
No, this
So
is super easy. A kindergartner could do this.
cool. Okay. So now the second task I have for you is to compare two groups or categories. So now switch to a few different of the ocean, now of the oceans, and then you can also change the variables as well to see the different temperatures.
Hmm. Yeah,
And
they are
then,
very different.
okay, cool. And then it says, um, observe how the visualization changes based on category selection. And do you think any of them are look better or worse or about the same?
They all look the same to me. I mean, I don't think it could be really any easier to understand or any harder. I mean,
Okay, cool.
I think it's good.
All right. All right, so now you're gonna look at the heat map. It's the one right above that. So start by hovering over any of the points.
Okay.
So those are, does it make sense kind of what each point is?
Yeah, it's color coded. It corresponds to temperature.
Yep. Yep. And then can you identify any points that are significant from the other points?
Oh yeah, the points that are highlighted in red, they're over
Yep.
31 degrees Celsius.
Yep. That's the critical temperature
Yeah.
for the ocean. So glad you saw it. All right. I have two more tasks for you. So now pick one of the points you see on the heat map. So just choose an ocean, choose a point, and then go down to the bottom, choose the same ocean, and then choose the temperature. And then you
Okay.
can look at it and you can compare and
Wait,
see, do you kind of see the same kind of chart how they compare to each other?
oh yeah, they correspond exactly actually.
Perfect. Awesome. And then the last task I have for you is interpret the overall story told by the data. So overall, what do you think this means from the whole? What key insights or conclusions can you draw from these two visualizations?
Oh my goodness, this is such a tough question for me. Um, I think this has everything to do with just whoever's in president, at the time, or maybe I just do with like, so I know it's in
Like,
2020 into 2021, it's a huge decline. So maybe, I mean, we weren't moving at that time. So gases weren't going. So the world was not getting cooler, but it definitely wasn't as hot as it was, you know, when exports are going out every day overseas. So I
cool.
think
And
I think it shows climate change is real.
yeah, yeah, no, I'm glad you saw the trends. And do you have any other feedback that I can improve on or maybe like things that you didn't really make any sense, and then you think like maybe a tooltip or something would explain more about.
No, not off the top of my head. I think this is good. I think
Okay.
this is really good.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.